Next topic is thermal equilibrium. When all the properties of the body, when all the properties of the body remains unchanged. When all the properties of the body remains unchanged means that what? Then the body is in equilibrium condition. Right? Let any one of the property will be in unbalanced condition means the state of the body will be changing. So when the state of the body is changed means when any external work can be done, then the state of the body will be changed. So these are the basics of thermodynamics. Thermal equilibrium, heat, work, thermodynamic equilibrium, equation of state. These are the basics to the thermodynamics, right? So thermal equilibrium means when all the properties of the body remains unchanged means the body is in stable condition. Stable condition means here equilibrium condition. When the body is in unstable condition means when any external work can be done on the system, then the system must be moved. That means it can be in unbalanced condition, right? For example, take a body A, it maintains a temperature T1 degrees, right? Another body with T2 degrees, but T1 is greater than T2, right? When these two bodies get in contact, both the temperature can exchanges, and after some time both the temperatures are equal. That means what? Later the body is in stable condition. Stable condition means now the body is in thermal equilibrium. Next, heat. Heat means what? From previous classes we already studied that heat is a form of energy which can transpose the temperature from highest to low, high temperature to low temperature, right? Heat. It is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy which can transfer one body to another body, right? If we take one body at T1 degrees centigrade and another body at T2 degrees centigrade, right? When we get these two bodies in contact, here T1 greater than T2. From where to where it transfers? From highest to lowest, right? From T1 to T2 it flows, because heat transfer from highest temperature to lowest temperature, right? Next topic is work. At first we studied that system and surroundings. In system we have three types, right? Like that here in work we are also two types. What is work? What is work means? Work is a force which acts on the system. Work is a force which acts on the system. After getting force, the system can be moved, right? And it produces a displacement. And it produces displacement. When the system gets displaced, then only we said that work is done. Then work is done. Right? In work there are two types. We know that internal work, external work. So right, for example, when we take a cylinder with gas with piston, right? Here gas. When the piston gets expelled out, when the system gets expelled out, that means what? Force acts on the surrounding. When expelled out, force acts on the surrounding, acts on surrounding. Force acts on surrounding, not on the system, right? When the piston expelled out, force acts on the surrounding. That means sign conversion is positive. Sign conversion is positive. Why? Means the piston expelled out. That means the force acts on the system, not on the, acts on the surrounding, not on the system. So that sign conversion is positive. That means external work done on the surrounding. External work done on the surrounding. For suppose when the piston is pushes down, when the force acts on the piston to push down, that means when the force acts on the system, acts on the system by applying force, on the piston. That means external work done on the system. External work done on the system. Here the work done on the system, right? That means the sign conversion is taken as negative, where the sign conversion is taken as negative. So what is work? Work is a force which acts on the system to produce a displacement. Then we said that work is done, right? To explain the work, we take a small example. When we take a cylinder with a gas and with a piston, when the piston expelled out, that means force acts on the surrounding. External work done on the surrounding. That means sign conversion we take it as positive. Then when the force acts on the system by applying force on the piston, that means work done, external work done on the system. That means sign conversion is taken as negative. So this is the one of the best example of macroscopy, right? Why it takes as macroscopy? We already studied that in macroscopy we studied the gross product, and we can test in laboratory. We can sense the perception. We can feel the sense of perception of macroscopic, right? So that this example we take it as macroscopic. Next, coming up to internal work. Internal work. What is internal work? The work that internally the internal system is known as internal work. For suppose here we take the gas. Here molecules are there. So the work done between these molecules is known as internal work, right? The work done by one part of the system to another part of the system is known as internal work. So to explain the internal work, we take the actual gas molecules. Actual gas means, here we take actual gas. In actual gas, molecules are binded with no space. Molecules are binded with no space. That means molecules get together with strongly in the system. So when to expel the gas outside, the molecules in between the molecules in the system can do the work by one part to the another, then only the gas can expel. So the work done by one part of the system to the another part of the system is known as internal system. Here internal system we take it as microscopic. So microscopic means the study of individual internal system is known as microscopic, and we cannot feel the sense of perception, and we cannot find the result in laboratory. So that internal work we take it as microscopic, and external work we take it as macroscopic. This is about work, heat and thermal equilibrium.